important match for Mamelodi Sundowns to actually win, because like this season they've been dealing with a lot, yabo. And I just wanna say also it seems like there are also teams, yabo, which just play as if they bayenzelwa like a favor, bruh. Is they are just playing like bayenzelwa like a favor with PSL. They're just playing as if they are not fighting for a league or anything. About they're just playing as like a hobby, not because like banama goals or anything, yabo, that they want an outcome vele abayifunayo vele out of that thing. I'm just speaking about Richards Bay, yabo, like Richards Bay. Ever since, like, I'm not speaking about your Namadala like the Mamelodi Sundowns right now. I'm just speaking about it overall, like the way, like from the start, ever since before even they changed the coach, before even this coach we're looking currently, yabo, right now, who's coaching Azafige. They've been like that. Like it's him engafuni bra udlala. It is like angazi bathathe mina right now engi-unfit yabo, bafike bangifaka lapha egrawundini and just told me to just kick the ball yabo, because there were no combinations. Bebangakwazi nokuthi bayenze like a simple pass. I understand sometimes you're gonna be playing deep yabo, but if you can't even like get iphasi maybe mhlawumbe if you are trying ukuthi unto ushaya like a counter attack or anything, but maybe that was due to the fact that like the pitch today it was actually poor. I just want to speak about the pitch first of all. Maybe that was one of the main reasons. But I can't even say so because like in history of me now every time when I'm about to watch Willie Richards playing, not even playing against Kaizer Chiefs or Pirates, maybe I'm on a random day I'm chilling, Super Sport playing with the likes of Marumo Galant or something, it will seem like abafuni. I don't even know what's like how come the team they're like relegate and stuff. But maybe it is the way vele abasebenzele batholela ama-results lento le ukuthi bahlale vele deep most of the time, because this is not a thing ukuthi they're just respecting yabo amanto i-Mamelodi Sundowns also only, or they're just respecting about the big three. So yeah, on today's game, it was a beautiful game. About there are a lot of things that we can actually talk about, even though like I'm tired about, but there are a lot of things that we can talk about. I just want to talk about the facts from the starting lineup, which we didn't see Umrembule about Umkoena on the starting lineup. I'm not sure if he was featured Guma subs or what, because there was also this other one about the new youngster one, but uP Mokoena ngikalibambi legama lakhe yabo, but the young one I think bakhona yena kwibench, or angazi ukuthi bayakhona vele the main umrembula vele yabo. And then also it was the game Sabona more of Santos, even of Nuno Santos, even though like I believe what we have seen already about it is not the best of himself vele yabo yet, even though like the gent actually had a beautiful game today. Like I believe almost it is like uyele wathola like ama-assist vele ayi-2 yabo, even though ngasama-assist vele anto ayi-2. He was the one who was responsible for the first goal vele yabo, ngephasi ele walishaya, and then lathola ubani, lathola unto Metis about one of the most criticized players, and he ended up Metis getting a praise just because of that guy. And then the second one, he things another assist about when he gets Reynas, and Reynas as like the best striker here in PSL really want to. Semasha he had like and whoever wabanento bangamnenhlanhla vele today yabo, washiwa hit ipali, and then Metis again had like a praise yabo. And then I just want to speak about this guy Umhango, who you know. So yeah, I just want to say a beautiful goal from him. I just want to speak about the technique. About I think it was supposed Urenas was just supposed to do the same thing very about, but what a technique from him. Even though like Lela Bonga Melang Richards Betul, even Lela Kulela, because it was actually into a foul available from the start. So yeah, man, I don't think it was really unnecessary, very necessary ukuthi vele babe benelela kulela, but what a good finishing from Umhango. That's why Uyelo Akora especially goal about when Richards Bay was just playing deep, they didn't have my hopes, but the Uyelo Akora somehow I felt like Richards Bay started to believe on themselves, but they didn't actually do anything, because that's I feel like that is how they actually be, or maybe it is a thing you're waiting. I'm just saying it seems like they didn't want to play, but maybe it is just like a quality vele yabo yento Mamelodi Sundowns vele yabo overall it was just quality over quality. But even if you say quality bafethu, but you can't be playing on a PSL level playing like that. I don't even like I can't even point like one player like could just be Bomabu Baba substitute and they've been playing for the longest time and Nini was linked with like you. But yeah, I don't want to talk about that but still you can't see nothing already it's just the surrounding but the surrounding all of them as a whole I don't know like at this point I don't know if it is a coach or it is a management because each and every coach will figure out they're just having a problem and I just want to speak about u-Allende yabo. I just believe ukuthi naye u-Allende is one of the most important players for Mamelodi Sundowns this season. As much as u-Reynas vele yabo is important, I think u-Reynas is the second because I was actually like thinking ukuthi he's the most important player available for into Mamelodi Sundowns this season. But I truly believe ukuthi it is into u-Allende because he's featured on most of like matches vele yabo and uyawaqeda nokuwaqeda most of them. And it is not even a thing which like it's just for a coach's favorites already. Like the boy just we are like we are contributor like on a match about a lot. And then I just want to speak about this guy about Santos about as much as Angela Krumangai from before which we haven't seen a lot from him about, but I just feel like it is a player really simple. This kind of reminds me of this guy from Barcelona and Busquets, but Busquets was playing off with defensive midfielder because the guy is just like float on the ball if we're being only like really like a float is like too much. And then another thing I realized I go to turn my pocket passes about a lot. But I'm still looking forward available ukuthi like ngimbone and stuff because even like nalila pass lela yelo niggas have lumitisi vele but the way ibhola like leli spin and ukuze lifike la it was actually good even though with the guy I feel like there hasn't been that chemistry yet connect like nama players akhe vele now uyabona ama players weMamelodi Sundowns yet that much but I believe it's like there's a lot that we should be expecting vele from Indo from the ball from the boy vele and then I just want to speak about also the fact that like Raiders just no not Raiders Williams vele was just getting too comfortable there like because I feel like not even him, even like it defense because even Ukoza always bamkapile vele but it is a thing which like they are just doing it and teams lawo abadlala against wona bathi uma bapress nokubapress bavele bahamba like nethuzi zabo yabo so bagcine sebanganto I like abathesti that much and this comes to the fact ukuthi I think somebody was speaking about why Mamelodi Sundowns is going to win like a CAF almost all the time and they said it was like the reason better about this because of like a league but yeah I feel like that is actually effect yabo into enjalo and I'm happy about like umuntu also ukuthi ele wantu wabuya and then Reina scored again the 9th goal value for this season. Congratulations to him and yeah I don't think we like actually have much to say about because I'm a goals vele about cause I did I've never even seen him be like or available on a league and stuff so yeah I just want to say congratulations to them and yeah, I believe we're gonna be seeing a lot from Mamelodi Sundowns. My bad guys, like any game pants right now because now the games are like late, so I'm actually tired right now. Listening like them let so yeah, I won't yet much, but it is just a great weekend available. Each and every big three club available actually won today, so that's great news. I because of Thank you.